Installation of Universal Architectural System. WPS System products deliver higher standards in selection, beauty and performance. No other company can match WPS interior system portfolio of products. With all our interior systems we offer freedom of choice to our customer to experiment with style, color and texture. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are 1 7¼ power circular saw or skill saw, 1 power router 1/2 shank for 45° and curves, 1 power trimmer router 1/4 collets for ease edges, 1 10" sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6" by 10 feet straight edge, 1 small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 2 number of 8" wood suction cup for material handling, pair of sawhorse table. Set up cutting table or workstations in well-ventilated outdoor areas so that any generated dust is carried safely away from workers. If any area with adequate ventilation is not available, an IOSH-approved respirator should be used. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that 2 people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge. Because of reduced visibility when handling panel products, take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. When cleaning up dust and debris from cutting wood or phenolic material, never use a broom or brush if the debris material is dry. Sweeping dry material may send dust particles into the worker's breathing area. Instead, wet down the debris with a fine mist to suppress dust during sweeping or use a vacuum. Waste pieces of wood or phenolic material can be disposed of in normal waste containers. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. Begin installation by verifying walls, corners, floor and ceiling are level and plumb. Install base edge, UAS 201. Fasten to steel or wooden studs, concrete, masonry or brick walls. Install edge cap, UAS to 21. Option edge cap, UAS to 24. Install the top edge UAS 605. Install inside corner trim. Inside corner trim SHA140 for 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch solid phenolic, glass, and resin panels. Inside corner trim SHA440 for 3 by 4 inch wood or laminate panel. Install inside corner trim UAS 240 for intersection between wall and ceiling. Panel A must be installed before panel B. Install outside corner trim. Outside corner trim SHA132 for 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch solid phenolic, glass, and resin panels. Outside corner trim SHA432 for 3 by 4 inch wood or laminate panel. Outside corner trim SHA430 for 3 by 4 inches wood and laminate panels. Install vertical edge trim. Vertical edge trim for 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch panel. Inside corner trim for 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch panel. Trim for 3 by 4 inch panel. Outside corner trim for 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch panel. Trim for 3 by 4 inch panel. Outside corner trim SHA430. Vertical edge trim for 3 by 4 inches panel. For 5 by 16 inches to 1/2 inch panel. If the panel height is more than 36 inch, then install the mid-wall rail before panel installation. Install horizontal reveal trim 625-1. Slide the vertical trim UAS 203, according to details in shop drawings. Install mid-wall rail, GEN041. Notice that the panel comes with clearly designating panel number in one corner. Reference the shop drawings, and install panels according to the design. Panel comes with panel clips attached, at the back of the panel. Place the panel against the wall so that the clips are above each respective trim, and set the into its joints. UAS 625-1, developed to ease the installation and removing panel, at any location. Edge cap UAS to 21, option edge cap, UAS to 24, for glass panel. Set the next panel in place tight to the vertical trim. Repeat this for all bottom panels. Install edge cap, UAS to 21. Option edge cap, UAS to 24. Continue this way, to the end of the wall. Install edge cap, UAS to 21. Option edge cap, UAS to 24 for glass panel. Install edge cap UAS to 25, option edge cap UAS to 26 for wood panel. Install edge cap UAS to 25, option edge cap UAS to 26. Install edge cap UAS to 25. Option edge cap UAS to 26. Glass panel. Wood panel. Phenolic panel. UAS 605. developed for slim line at the ceiling, without any gap, at the top edge of the wall and ceiling. As this is non-progressive system, any panel can be installed or uninstalled individually. The ability to remove panels, and put up pictures, advertisement, etc. and then reinstall the original panels, after the event is over. WPS is willing to train the maintenance crew on how to remove and reinstall the panels. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our customer service department is available during business hours, and we are hands-on universal architectural system. Products Installation Advisor is out standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any question, assist with any install, and provide us with support. Thank you for watching WPS Universal Architectural System, and hope we contribute to your benefit. Please visit us at our website and see more systems installation video and products.